Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the remote so commands will register. Install 2 AA batteries, making sure polarity is correct. This matters because weak contact causes lag. Once done, stand within 7 to 10 meters and point directly at the indoor unit. Line of sight improves infrared reliability. Press power and watch both the remote LED and the AC display light up. If the unit doesn't respond immediately, press power again. Short presses are better than long holds to avoid confusing the receiver. You now configure operation for comfort and efficiency. Select mode: auto for smart control, cool for lowering temp, heat for warming, dry for dehumidifying, because mode affects compressor behavior and energy use. Then set the target temperature. Adjust in half-degree increments if your model allows, since small changes reduce overshoot. Next, set fan speed and horizontal swing to spread air evenly. Higher fan speeds cool faster, but can raise energy use. Use short presses to change settings. Verify each. You finish by using advanced controls and knowing one key troubleshooting step. Program timer, sleep, or energy saver to match occupancy. These features reduce runtime and bills because they shift set points intelligently. If the remote loses sync, try the pair or reset function. This reestablishes communication. Finally, if commands fail, replace batteries, wipe the IR emitter window, and power cycle the indoor unit. This simple reboot often clears glitches. If problems persist, call service, but try these steps first to save time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.